Sharnell! Will I eat that jelly? Chop!
Sharnell? Sharnell? Sharnell?
Hey, girl, are you so vulgar? Think your mother's taller than downtown?
You know, some people actually say good afternoon or how are you?
Sorry, I just threw.
And FYI, my mother isn't a vendor, she's a lawyer.
If you say so, come in, man.
Hello? No, you can't do that. I can't believe you. You're not gonna dance with me? So what's if your foot broke? Pull it together. Be a man. Alright then.
What was that?
We dance for a quit for me. Just because he broke his foot. Selfish.
You know someone who can be a dance partner? You know.
Shante?
No, me can be a dance partner.
You know nobody else?
Come on, I'm a great dancer. People tell me all the time.
What is you speak of?
Come on.
My pop up my wig. I'm really desperate, you know.
Summer in or what?
Yep.
Yes! When is it?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, that is like 15 hours.
Well, if you're not up to it,
Fine, I'll do it.
you have enough work to do. Enough.
Oh God.
I'm sexy and everyone know it. Don't call me a princess, call me the boss. I thank God every day for my life, and you would too.
I'm smart, sexy, and I'm confident. Of course people gonna talk about me.
You're not at my picnic. Nope. You just walk. It's very good for. Good for enough things. Name one. Enough things. Whatever. Punky does. Look on the picture of Shadae. What am see? Well, she look like her madam. That is not a good thing. She look like a lion. Alright, let's get to work. Come, full some things. Full. See here. How about this? That's my lucky shirt. What's so lucky about this? My lucky shirt. Wear it and you'll see. Nobody thinking of this. Fine. Okay. Where is it? Lucky.
Shadae, where are you? Shadae? Shadae, where are you? Shadae? Shadae, what are you doing around there?
Nothing, mommy.
Sit down, I have something to tell you. Shade, I just enter you in Miss Mini Harborview contest. So, I'm gonna do your hair, I'm gonna do your nails, and I'm gonna do your toenails, okay?
But I don't want to go.
Why? It's a good contest. I'm gonna do your hair, and I'm gonna do your nails, and I'm gonna do your... Don't kiss your teeth at me. What is wrong with you, little girl? Huh? Well, you're going to enter that competition, okay? Go to your room. Boy, children.
Now let's stretch. Come on, pick up the pace. Pick up the pace.
Say for your life, sir.
Enough stretching. Let's get down to the choreography. Choreography. Those are the dance moves.
It's a jot them big word for me like me a dictionary.
Let's get back to the choreography. Play the music.
No, look here. No, me say look here. No, me say look here first, so you have to look here. No, you don't know nothing. I'm done with that conversation here. Done. Yes, Daddy, I can bring pizza. Love you. My father don't bother me so. I know, right? When my father talk to me, I just turn up the stereo as I can't hear. So what's going on? Your ugly shirt is magic. I told you. No, I found $10,000 on the floor. Whoa. $10,000, you know what? When you on the road now, on truck those drop on big bags of shoes. And you know what? The whole of them are my size. That's great, that's great. Thanks a lot for the shirt, hon. Hold on there. I give the shirt for try. I never say I could take it. Give and try are two different something. I want back my shirt now. And you are going to get it back. When? Tuesday. Okay. Of 2055. You must be mad. I want back my shirt tomorrow or else. Or else what? What you can do me? Or else me I go load you up on the road and tell people say you thief my shirt. You wouldn't. I would. Alright, me see you tomorrow. Better.
Give her back what?
Edmund, you really forgot eardresser.
Keaton.
What's wrong with you now, Afro summer, right?
You think you're funny, though?
Like, duh.
You know, some mother forced me to enter my name is Harborview.
Really?
You know, some I never want inside.
Why? Why not?
Because look when the people them I compete against. Them just look better than me, everything. Look, them ear not Afro like mine. Them just neat like everything.
Follow with the foolishness. You're pretty and you're gonna win.
You really think so?
Of course, you're really pretty.
Yep.
Yeah, but I'm still look prettier than you still.
Yeah.
SpongeBob. 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 Pumbaa, dream. Maya, what are you doing in my dream?
Hello, Sharnell. Sharnell.
I don't know name Shante because my name is Princess Diana Squarepants. I don't know where she get Shante from.
What?
This is my dream, okay?
Dance.
But I can't dance.
Dance.
But a bride see then they can't fit me in a suicide career.
Oh, sorry. Look again.
This is more my style. Dance. Look here, boss lady. Me dance what I feel like.
You did good. Now wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Tanya, wake up. Wake up. Sharnell, wake up now. Sharnell.
Stop.
Put your shots and come.
We're gonna win this.
I don't know about that one day.
We're gonna win this today. Because I work hard yesterday and plus thing, I catch some of the moves them.
But stop to that.
If you doubt yourself, you're not gonna reach nowhere in your life.
Achoo.
Well, I'm coming up, we're gonna win this.
You think?
I know.
Yeah, then let's win this thing.
Never change.
We lost.
There's always next year.
Which next year talk about them ban with? Why you play you so nice?
Them band with just because we play potential kids song.
And then they dance to it. That is not music.
We are go.
May I get pizza?
Wait, where may I get money from? Maya! What shirt there? Funny story. Me I listen. Do some houses today. Really now? Yes, even the shirt. The rest in jail, Maddie. You know what news last night in ESF escape? Must be on the TV. Him escape from solitary confinement? Yeah, that. Cool. Yes, I think you don't want to take off the jacket. No! The time just at door. Me alright. Okay. See my shirt there. Yeah. I want it back. Yeah. Give me it back. Never. 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 It's mine! Never! I donate it to charity. What charity ever do for me? Come, go your yard, move, shoot, go, man, go.
Ugly? That new shirt?
Wait, another shirt that went. You look nice.
I know, duh. Get me. Smell later.
Bomba, people of the cities.
You once more. This step did from 1 by 1 after their names are called. Give them applause for their names.
And remember to smile.
Bright lights, big beat, bodies tight, carpet down, heels up, deep breaths, can't stop, walk, final call, music up, stand. Don't look at me.
So don't you bring me down today.
You wonder if I dropped you when I was a baby? Gaia.
Woof woof. I like the dress that Maya look nice.
Well, everything will look nice.
Wait, I know my dress that's just gone so. And what they mean are talk good. Miss her.
Takes a second for my words to come crumbling down.
Yes, so I'm fair because I school yesterday.
You see, you, Sharnell, and next time I'm going to start from.
Yeah, between Sharnell and Aaliyah. I win.
But let's go and get another video. Like, I'm going to catch you a thief in a one little cheap store. Knock off, girl.
I'm here, sir. You got me behind and then food. Got me behind and then food. Jesus, I love you. You're not drunk, man. Not drunk, man.
Just the cat, I got a cat instead of but I was
What are you doing, cause? At least me have fun. We are not friends.
walk away because I never want to murder you. Don't get it twisted.
Maya, at shot alone you have.